this video is just about my Mcpx. If you watched my last video on the wobbling noise, it was a horrible noise it was making. I've only had this helicopter for a few flights, and I've had a few crashes because I'm learning inverted with it. I've had a few crashes. Yeah. Thank you for the responses on my things. One of the guys on the response said about the main shaft being lower. Okay, I'm not an expert on these things, and that looks a bit precarious to me. That moves up and down. I don't know whether it's supposed to, because I've never had an Mcpx before. This is the V1 version 1. He also said about the canopy pegs being broke, but the canopy pegs are perfectly fine, if you know what I mean. I'm just going to do a quick flight with it to show you the flight that it still flies, but it flies really, really, really unstable. It's wobbling like really badly. One thing I must say though is I broke the skids on it here, and I stick them back on with some blue tack because I didn't want to hot glue gun it, which I was thinking about doing, because then if I got some new skids, I won't be able to take it off. So that's not the reason why I didn't think, because I've flown it before with the skids like that. Yeah, anyway, so that's the main shaft. It's just what is going up and down like that, but I don't know whether it's supposed to. But if you could tell me what it does. I'm going to do a quick flight with it and show what it's like flying. And yeah, just to prove that it is still flying, but it's just making this noise, and I really don't want the noise because it's not very nice kind of thing. Anyway, I'll just do a quick 360 of it. There we go. Right, so here we go, here's the flight. Here we go. Just line this up. There we go. Right. There we go, cheers for watching.